You're watching Local 10, home of Local10.com. WPLG Local 10 News at 11 starts now.
And going on a diet means changing your diet. But how about using food as medicine to prevent disease? Find out how diet really makes a difference next. More than 150 million Americans are overweight or obese, a health risk that increases their chances of chronic and deadly illness, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Changing your diet can really lower the risk.
But can dietary changes actually prevent disease or even cure us? Our medical expert and specialist, Dr. Ari Sofer, takes a closer look at food as medicine.
In January 2007, Sharina Tiberia was handed a deadly diagnosis.
I was dying of cancer. All my family came to say goodbye. The doctors said, get your finances in order. I did. I made a new will.
After surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation, the tumors in her left lung had metastasized to her right lung.
Natural.
She called her close friend and holistic health coach, Donna Haybarger, who started focusing on diet after losing her own mother to lung cancer.
I did a tremendous amount of research, and I found that the body had a remarkable way of healing itself.
Haybarger was fascinated to learn how ancient cultures have long used food as medicine to prevent and even cure illnesses.
It certainly can help people with cancer and different afflictions that they have, but I want to prevent it before it gets there.
Haybarger says eating animal protein, refined sugars, and empty carbs create stress on the body, raising cortisol level.
Nearly 50% of the stress that people deal with comes from diet.
And studies have shown that a low-fat, plant-based diet can have the opposite effect. The Women's Intervention Nutrition Study found that changing to a plant-based diet reduced the risk of breast cancer recurrence by 25%. Diet also made a difference in a study of prostate cancer patients by Dr. Dean Ornish. He found that a low-fat, vegan diet led to a drop in prostate-specific antigen, meaning the disease was not advancing.
Get used to eating these really healthy foods. That's what you'll crave. You will not crave what you used to eat.
When conventional cancer therapy started making her sick, Sharina stopped taking her drugs and started following Haybarger's advice. And 6 years later, she is still beating the odds.
Changing your diet changes everything. It changes your outlook on life. It changes your health and your vitality, your energy. And for me, I'm sure that's what got rid of these tumors.
Many of us believe that if bad foods can make you sick, then why can't good foods make you healthy? Science has proven that while many illnesses are caused by chronic poor nutrition, others are unaffected by nutrition, and with some illnesses, we just don't know yet what diet plays a role or not.
And it's great to see her doing so well. What is the best message you can give people?
So with sick folks like her, there's a lot of hope in these new diets, such as hers. And I don't think we can yet tell everyone that we can use her diets to cure cancer, but we can start the research. But we got some really great evidence recently in the New England Journal of Medicine yesterday. Unprecedented landmark study saying that the Mediterranean diet, something that we've suspected for a while, can reduce the risk of stroke or heart attack by 30%, wow. Something that is unprecedented, wow. By simply olive oil, some nuts, some plant-based stuff, right. And really do a great job with things that we had suspected for some time.
The body wants to cure itself. Yeah. We are what we eat. Good messages. All right, keep us posted, Dr. Ari Sofer. Thank you.
Will do. Thank you.
All right, thanks for your time.